Hello everyone, welcome to back again. Now I am share new earning application how to make money online. I am share new earning legit application Bitcoins, PayPal, Google Play gift card unlimited. Okay, first time application download now application link video description application open instruction. Okay, first time sign up your account. Okay, I am just click now signing options and register option, click now and your username and your email address and password and register now. Okay, I am already registered my account and please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel. I am login my account already. Okay, my available balance and I'm first time click now invitation option, one friend invite and unlimited earning now. One friend invite, 25 coins free and 5% lifetime referral commission, complete offer. Okay, the unlimited offer complete and earning now offer true. Okay, I'm just click now open this offer true offer available. Okay, this app no referral earning, high referral earning application, only survey earning applications. Okay, and at get media, I'm just click now at get media, very trusted earning survey website. Okay, I'm just click now watch video, watch and earning unlimited video watch now and earning unlimited coins. Okay, I'm back again now and tax offer. I'm just click now already I am claim wall tax, TB tax and scroll down and okay, and I'm back again now and I'm just click now bonus point options. Complete this bonus option newsletter already claim. I am claim and Twitter or Instagram and Facebook follow now and unlimited coins earning, and I'm just click now withdraw options available and I'm just click now promo code. Okay, use my promo code bonus free. Okay, and I'm just click now earning options, my total earning. Okay, I'm back again now withdrawal option. First time I am share PayPal only 5,500 coins, $5 PayPal, and I am back again now Bitcoins. I'm just click now 5,500 coins, $5 Bitcoins. This same recommended Litecoins instant payment. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel. Thank you.